Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, and if you're new here then welcome. My name is Eve. I post all sorts of makeup related videos. Please excuse my little boy just jumping about in the back, but as usual whenever I get a mystery box I just cannot wait to open it. And today's one is the Doll Beauty Valentines Mystery Box. Now this was £30. I literally just got it through the door, not long up, not even washed my face or brushed my teeth or anything, but I just cannot wait to dive into this. So please excuse the way that I look. If you want to see how I normally look, then go and check out my other videos. And I have got my glasses on just so I can actually read the product names and stuff for training. So this is what it looks like, and it does come all wrapped up inside, which is so cute and so lovely, and I'm so excited by this. I have done a video on Doll Beauty mystery boxes before and those ones weren't the best, but I did just order one of these because I wasn't sure if they were all the same or not. But it feels like we've got some lashes, some tan, a lipstick. I don't know, let's just go through it. So you do get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things in here. So let's start with the smallest one. So this one is the first one. It's all wrapped up like this. Let's see what's inside here. I'm so excited by these. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely a lipstick. Oh my god! It's one of their kind of Valentine's ones. Oh wow, and this one is in the shade She's Well Red. Is that focusing? So let's just see what the colour of this one looks like. So it's just the normal packaging, I think, that Doll Beauty normally is. I would need to compare it to my other ones. But the colour is, oh gosh, wow. I love a red lipstick, that is stunning. Okay, so it's more of a kind of pinky red. I will definitely make use out of that. That is so pretty. We're off to such a good start. Definitely a better start than the last one. So now we'll just do this one. This feels like it's definitely tan. I think Doll Beauty are rebranding, aren't they? And that's why they've got such crazy sales on just now. Now I don't wear fake tan all that much, but I'm always up to try a new one. So this is the Ultimate Tan in Deep Dark, pumped with caviar and rose extract. Smells like heaven with notes of rose and marshmallows. Opulent self-tan mousse. And this is in the shade Deep Dark. I love the packaging of this. I've never ever tried Doll Beauty Tan, so I would definitely give this a go. The fact that it's deep dark and I'm the colour of a ghost kind of worries me a wee bit, I'm not going to lie, but I'll definitely try that. Then this one, what could this be? Maybe a lip liner or something like that? Let's see what this one could be. Aha, so this is Push Poppin' Liner Licorice Black Precision Eyeliner. Okay, super quick dry and liquid eyeliner. Features the fiercest black in a Dolly's Pick and Mix. Micro brush tip. Okay, I didn't even know that they did eyeliners, if I'm being honest, but you learn something new every day. I wonder if everyone will have the same colours in all their boxes. That'll be interesting to know, because I know my few friends have got them as well. So this is the packaging. This is so cute. So cute. And again, it is sealed up again inside, so that's good. They've made sure that it's well sealed. Lewis has just helped himself to sweets and biscuits while I'm filming this. Just like any other day. So this is the packaging, and this is the tip. Really, really nice fine tip. Okay, I don't think it looks that dark black, but we'll give that a go. Right, wait a minute. What? Right, wait a minute. So this is the next thing. I can only assume this is some lashes. They've done a really nice job on this box. Like, the packaging is just kills it. Like, it's so good. What? Right, I'll be back in a minute. He wants juice. So that's him got some toilet and juice. Hopefully he is happy now. So this is a pair of lashes and these are pretty. So these are in the shade Jasmine. Is this the new packaging? These seem different from other Doll Beauty lashes. Yeah, packaging's definitely different. So this is what they look like. Really nice lashes. The lashes that I got in my Doll Beauty, the ones that I got in my mystery boxes were just like kind of natural, but these are absolutely stunning. And then the final thing, I'm hoping this is a highlighter. So this is the size of the box. And let's just get into this one. Oh my god, it's a highlighter! Oh, I've always wanted to try Doll Beauty highlighters, but they're so expensive. So this is in the colour Shine Bright and Like a Diamond. I think that's two of their most popular shades, isn't it? Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is what the packaging looks like. And this is the highlighters. Oh, they're so pretty. Perfect for my skin tone. Maybe if you did a darker skin tone, I don't know how they would work, but where have I put them? So you can see them there. So pretty. The darker one might be too dark for me, but if I put that new fake tan on and I'm like a bronze goddess, then it might work. But oh my god, like, what did you guys think? Did you think this was a good box? I think this is well worth £30. I will use every single item in there. The eyeliner maybe doesn't excite me that much because I've got so many eyeliners, but nonetheless, like, that is a good box. I just totally bought it in a whim. I wasn't going to, and then I was on my break at placement and I seen that the other girls were buying it and I thought, well, I need to buy it too, because I always get fear of missing out, don't I? So I'm so glad that I got it. So just to recap, you got the highlighter duo, you get the lashes, you got the eyeliner, you got the lipstick, and you got a fake tan for £30. I think that's absolutely amazing. If you did like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. I love doing mystery boxes, so just let me know if you want me to keep doing them. Please like the video, which is what I've just said. Please subscribe if you haven't already, because I promise you there will be more mystery boxes coming up whenever they get released. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you're notified of every time I upload. So that's all from me for today. So bye.